Hi foodies! Today we're making a fruit cake. This recipe features fresh peaches, but you can easily replace peaches with fresh apples, pears, or even pineapples. Canned or jarred fruits will work great too. The only thing is when using canned fruits, make sure they are preserved in their own juice without added sugar, because if fruits are in syrup, the amount of sugar in this recipe will need to be adjusted. Okay, to make batter, whisk together the eggs, vanilla extract, and sugar in a large bowl. Gradually add the milk and continue whisking. Send the butter to melt in the microwave for 20 seconds and turn on the oven, setting it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Add the melted butter to the egg and sugar mixture and mix everything well. Sieve the flour, baking soda, and baking powder into the batter and continue whisking. Add the shredded lemon zest and whisk until you reach smooth consistency of the batter, then can slowly drip from the whisk. Take a 9-inch or 23-centimeter round cake mold with removable bottom and line the bottom and the walls with parchment paper. Then grease the parchment paper with vegetable oil to prevent even the slightest sticking of the batter. Pour the batter into baking mold and flatten the surface with spatula. Set it aside. Next, wash, peel, deseed, and cut in halves 5 medium fresh peaches. Then slice each half of the peach to 5mm thick slices. Start sticking each slice in the batter so that it doesn't touch the walls of the mold, which will help the cake hold its shape better when baked. Make the slices overlap each other and create a swirl from the edge towards the center of the mold until there is no more space to stick another slice. Make sure to leave some space between the swirl rounds, about 1 centimeter, as this will help the batter bake through better. Now, drizzle a couple teaspoons of melted butter on top of the fruit slices and sprinkle with brown sugar to create a nice crust on the top of the cake. Send to the oven for 1 hour or until cake bakes through and gets its beautiful golden brown color. To check if the cake is baked, we do what? Right, insert a wooden skewer somewhere in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, then the cake is good to leave the oven once and for all. Let the cake cool down for 4 or 5 minutes and then remove it from the mold and place on a cake stand or a large round platter. After complete cooling, dust the cake with powdered sugar, cut in triangles, and enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Also, hit those subscribe and bell buttons not to miss our next videos. Thanks for being around today, and join us next week to explore, well, no spoilers for now.